Now, for those that are late to the party and don't know what the Elcano World Challenge is all about, well, it's about taking this boat, sailing this boat, around the world without the use of fossil fuels. So, how can that be done? Well, we're going to have electric engines, we're going to have solar, of course, and we're going to have wind. But the most important thing that we're going to be testing is hydrogeneration through the electric motors. What is hydrogeneration? Hydrogeneration is about sailing this boat at a reasonable speed, allowing the propellers to free spin, which will turn the electric motors, which turns them into generators, and they will generate enough electricity to, hopefully, maintain the boat systems and keep the battery bank topped up. Now, this is not about sailing this boat around the world frugally. This is going to be a modern boat with modern conveniences with a reasonable comfort level. Now, if we can show that we can sail at a reasonable speed and still maintain the boat systems, then a lot more people will go, hey, I'll be able to do that. Now, what is this reasonable speed? We don't know. But we can find that speed out by conducting a worldwide experiment. Now, it's true the Elcano World Challenge is about sailing the boat around the world without fossil fuels, but wouldn't it be good if we could work out that there's a minimum speed that lots of people can achieve so that they can do this as well? And so we can get rid of the diesels and we can just do complete electric. Now, that's my Elcano World Challenge. The evolution of this sheep is amazing. Patience, 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 and a lot of skill. Fine adjustments, checking, fine adjustments, checking, fine adjustments, checking. Unbelievable. Let's check out what they've done in 2 days. They've done, in total, they've done 5 panels at 6 meters. Amazing, absolutely amazing. I'm thinking though that one of these is for the other boat. I think once they've got the skill set to doing these front bow sections, they're not gonna, whilst it's fresh in their mind, they're gonna do all the boats, or both boats. Well, I'm just assuming that, but wow, check out how smooth it is. Smooth. You can see all the markings. These are all the markings that are on the profile, so as he lays it down on the flat sheet, he marks them, so he knows where he's got to do most of the bending, or if it's an inflection point or whatever it is. But that is incredible. Well, here we go, we're going over again. Normally they use the crane. I don't think the foreman's here to watch. Let's save a bit of time. Oh no, I've caught Jeffrey at lunchtime checking out the backing plates. Alright, so what are the changes?
Yeah, because the last time we have this plate, but we cannot weld inside here, so we decided to put the rider inside.
Yep.
So when we install the plate, we weld the plate outside here.
Yeah.
And then for the inside, we can weld here.
Ah, okay.
All the way sail going up, because this area also here we cannot weld on this side when the plate covered by the plate.
Yeah.
We cannot weld this side, so
on the inside, but externally you can, right?
Yeah, we can weld this one outside.
Yeah.
Full penetration, and then here.
Yeah. And when you say full penetration, does that mean you got a bit more of a gap?
Yeah, we have gap,
and then you should really fill it up. Okay, gotcha.
This area here,
yeah,
we had some flat bar
Yep.
And we can
Slot weld it.
and then weld all.
Yep. Is it still going to be slot welded on here as well?
Yeah.
Slot welded to this backing plate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can weld a little bit here or here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
As well as the leading edge with full penetration.
So the important here, we sealed this area here inside.
Yep, got
Make
it.
sure that there's no leaking.
Yeah, okay. And that's all to get the maximum strength.
Yeah.
That's because we can't get on the inside.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. All right. Thank you, Jeffrey. That wasn't that painful, was it? No, look, he's already gone, people. One question down, he doesn't want another question. This hasn't been CNC cut. They've just got an approximate shape. They put it in, now they're going to trim it. This is a call out to any of you guys out there that want to help me in the Elcano World Challenge. Do you remember the Kickstarter fund? Well, there it is. But for the grace of God and Odyssey Catamarans, the build would have already stopped. Drastic times calls for drastic measures, and I need you guys to help now. What do you get? Well, you get to earn the right to come on board and come sailing with us. See what it's really like. Not to mention, there's a whole heap of Patreon-only videos. For example, I'm getting 2 videos, extra videos, released this week. Currently, there are 6 videos just for patrons and PayPalers. That's if you don't want to become a patron. You can just become a PayPaler and I'll send you the link. For example, do you want to know exactly how this shell plate is fitted or just a cursory glance? On the Patreon website, you will go through and see the nitty-gritty and all the pain and frustration of getting the bent shell plate to actually conform to the hull contours. It is a work of art. So come on people, become part of the Patreon crew. The links are in the description and at the end of the video. Help me finish this boat, because quite frankly, it's going to be a bugger to sail without any shell plate. There goes Jeffrey. Another one bites the dust. Maximum 4 hours. That's what Adonis says. From woe to go, flat sheet, measuring and marking, trimming with a circular saw, marking, measuring, grinding the spots, then remarking the spots with the profiles, where how the profiles are supposed to fit, then bending, all 4 hours, so 2 a day. So they haven't cut this with CNC. This has been devised after the fact because it's too hard to get the welding in. So they're putting this, what they call a rider plate, to hold the shell plate to make it stronger, because we can only weld on the leading edge and not in the inside because it's just too tight a space. So this is going to be super strong. And that's the benefit of having 25 years experience in complicated welding in tiny little areas. They just work out and they know what to do. What was that? What was that?
I put it on our drawing, drawing list. It says here that, okay, 102-002 is erection.
Yep.
And then suddenly it has like 69.
Ah, very good.
Like,
Well, was quite sensible, really. Quality of workmanship here, people. Perfectly smooth. How do they do it? Oh my God. I mean, look at it. It's just beautiful. I kind of like that finish. I mean, maybe a little bit more organized, but how good is that? And that'll be super strong. Mr. Tong, you told me the 22nd.
So? So you're not happy about that one because you only missed?
Yeah. When's the shell plate going on, Mr. Tong? 22nd.
Yeah.
This is like a week earlier.
Only from yesterday.
Anyway, well done.
Sorry about this one, we want to start early.
Now look how well the shell plate conforms to the frames and bulkheads. Where is the gap? Where is the gap here? Where is the gap here? There is none. I wouldn't even be able to slide a piece of paper between. Adonis is truly a master at this. He's sitting over here quietly by himself. We're looking at the master work. I'm not going to disturb him. Bloody amazing. I don't know how you do it. I didn't have faith. I didn't have faith.
At least, you know, we answered your question because like last week, we've been asking during the time of installation, is it possible to install that one with this kind of shape? And there you go.
Yep, and there we go. Right before my eyes, people. And perfectly smooth. Look how long that sheet is. It's like, I don't know if you can appreciate this, it's a compound curve. And when we say compound curve, it's not just an ordinary compound curve. It's coming out, in, and then out, as well as having an S shape. Phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. And you saw all of the gaps with all the stringers. It's like a bees dip. We're going to have to invent a new measurement scale in this factory called the micro bees dip, because it's less than a bees dip. Sorry to go on about bees dip, people, but the bees dip is pretty small increments. And in this case, it's quite applicable.
Hi people, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.
And don't forget to ring that bell down there.
See you in the next vlog.